Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, from today we have to start about the cattle farming, as we have finished the topic agriculture, in which the topics related to the crop field and the field work has been finished. But now from today we have to start about the cattle farming. So I'm not going into the deep, but I today just only provide you the knowledge of the different types of the breeds of the buffaloes. Sometimes the most important questions comes in from it, that name to any high breed of the buffaloes, milk yielding breeds. So actually whenever we rear the animals, we actually feed them and we take care of them just to have the different types of fulfilling our purposes related to the dairy. It means milk production. So cow, buffalo, goats and camels are the these all are the milk providing animals. So guys, buffaloes are the major source of milk in our country. Next in the line are the cows, but buffaloes have a long period of the lactation period. You know, that is the reproductive period of 20 years. Can you imagine? 20 years are their productive life and are the most productive animals for the milk. Also, buffalo's milk is especially rich in the proteins, fats and tocopherol, calcium, phosphorus, and contains the less of cholesterol, sodium and potassium. So guys, buffalo's milk are so important for us, so that's why we must have to rear its high yielding milk providing animals, a breed of the buffaloes. So in the today video you are going to know about the breeds of buffaloes and high milk yielding in the indigenous breeds that is found in India. Today I am going to discuss about that animals. Okay, so milk production depends to some of the extents on the duration of the lactation period. यानी कि कौन से एनिमल का लैक्टेशन पीरियड कितना लंबा है, मिल्क का प्रोवाइडिंग की जो टाइम पीरियड है वो इस पे डिपेंड करता है. ओके, सो हम कुछ ब्रीड्स का नाम अभी लेने जा रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रीड्स विच आर फाउंड इन द इंडिया रिलेटेड टू द बफेलोज. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन, मुर्शा. मुर्शा इज फाउंड इन द पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. इट्स द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ मिल्क प्रोवाइडिंग एनिमल्स breed from the side of buffaloes. Okay, the second one is Shurti. Shurti is from the Gujarat, and the third one is the Jafriwadi, that is also from the same Gujarat, and Mehshan. Mehshan is also from the Gujarat. Nili is also from the Punjab. You can get the name of all these different types of high milk yielding in indigenous, it means Indian breeds of buffaloes on the video. Whenever you open it, actually this can be seen on the screen whenever I'm discussing about all these things. So the Mursha breed is the greatest demand. The most high yielding milk providing breed is the Mursha. This buffaloes breeds yields from the 1800 to 2500 liters of milk with up to 7% of the contains during. इसके पास 7% फैट्स होता है और इसकी जो मिल्क देने की कैपेसिटी है वो 1800 से 2500 लीटर्स मिल्क ये प्रोवाइड कर सकता है ड्यूरिंग इट्स लैक्टेशन पीरियड्स. सो इन कंपैरिजन टू द 1500, पहले जो प्रीवियस हमारे पास जितने भी ब्रीड्स थे वो 1500 तक मिल्क प्रोवाइड कर सकते थे, लेकिन ये जो मुर्शा ब्रीड है वो सबसे ही बेस्ट ब्रीड है बफेलोज रेयर करने के लिए. सो गाइज, हम लोगों ने अभी देखा, जब भी आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन आए इस तरह का एग्जाम में कि हाई मिल्क यील्डिंग इंडिजिनस ब्रीड्स का नाम बताइए कुछ बफेलोज का, तो उसमें आप मुर्शा, शुरती, जाफरियाबादी और मेहशान और नीली का एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द शॉर्ट व्हाट ब्रीड्स ऑफ बफेलो. सो होप यू ऑल लाइक इट and thank you so much for giving your time to me. Thanks guys.